A shocking case just outside of the national capital in the UP village of Dadri. A 50-year-old man was beaten to death after a rumor spread in the area that the family had eaten beef.
Mohammed Akhlaq and his son were dragged out by the mob of villagers and beaten with bricks till he died. His son, who was also beaten, has been hospitalized and is said to be critical. 6 men have been arrested and security has been increased in the area. The police also recovered meat from the house and has sent it for forensic testing, though the family claims it was not beef, it was mutton.
Well, joining us now on the phone line is the SSP of the area, S. Kiran. Thank you for speaking to NDTV. Sir, if you could tell us just what happened in this village.
The village is in Bisada, which falls under Jassa police station. The incident started like this at around 10:45 day before yesterday night. The police control got an information saying that one person was being attacked by a mob. The police reached there. We found that there was a congregation out there, and the police. Hello.
Right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we seem to have lost the line there with the SSP, but he was giving us the details. It seems the incident took place day before night at 10:30 is when the police received information that a man was being beaten up, and the man in question was Mohammed Akhlaq, a 50-year-old man who was dragged out of his home over the rumor that his family had consumed beef. Well, back with us on the phone line. Yes, sir, the phone line got cut with you. Do tell us, you were telling us how the police got information at 10:30 at night and that a man was being beaten.
Yeah. When the police reached, there was a mob which was present at that place, and then these persons who were attacked were taken to the hospital, which is in Noida. And during treatment, one person died. And from the preliminary investigations, what we could gauge is that this person was attacked after rumors stating that this family has consumed cow meat.
Right.
So, few of the villagers came into his home and started beating this guy up.
Right. Can you confirm to us if any more investigations, any more arrests have been made? We believe there have been 6 arrests that have been made.
Yeah. We made 6 arrests on the intervening night itself, and they are being sent to the jail. And there was an FIR which was being lodged against 10 persons, known, and 4-5 unknown persons. Out of this 10, we could arrest 6, and we are trying for the arrest of those who are involved in this case.
Right,
and we are also trying to find out how this incident happened.
Yes, sir. Any clue about that? How did this rumor suddenly spread? This family had been living there for many years now. So do you have any idea how this all came about?
The family has been living there for at least 35 years. And I think there are only very few families, and there are very few of the relatives in that particular area. They have been living in complete harmony. We are trying to find out why and how this rumor suddenly started up. And about the meat, we have taken it into a custody and then sent it to the forensic lab for further analysis as to find out what this is about.
You know,
regarding the rumor, yes, we are investigating into it.
Right.
As of now, it is the villagers. The few of the boys from the village who attacked this guy.
Right. Sir, could you just explain one thing to us? You're talking about sending the meat for forensic testing, but at first, I mean, you know, we can all make out what meat is, which meat it is. What is the first, sense that you're getting, whether it was mutton or beef, and what really was the family consuming?
Family say?
Pardon?
And what did the family say about the meat?
Family says that they don't do a sacrifice on Eid at that particular area. They get it from their relatives.
All right, sir. Thank you.
From their relatives in Ghaziabad. They got the meat from relatives staying in Ghaziabad.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was the SSP of the area, S. Kiran, telling us the details of this incident in a village just outside of Delhi where a man was killed over beef rumors. Well, let's just take a look at what his brother had to say.
10-15 लोग जिन्हें हम पहचानते हैं, उन्होंने अचानक अटैक किया, लाठी डंडे तलवार या कट्टे वट्टे लेके घर में घुसे, औरतों की बेइज्जती की, उनके साथ मारपीट की। उनका भी हमने मेडिकल कराया है और तो ये भाई हमारा ख़त्म हो चुका है जी। इन्हें पूरी तरह मारा। पुलिस वहाँ से लाके इन्हें यहाँ एडमिट किया पुलिस ने। पुलिस कहती है कि यहाँ तक सही थे, लेकिन हमें लगता है कि वहीं एक्सपायर हो गए थे।